Hello friends, today we are going to show you an amazing project for summer project. For summer project you can do this project very easily, and this is one of the project which you can use it in summer project. You see, first of all we have taken you see here we have taken two cell, that is one is 9-volt cell, another one is also 9-volt cell. The two cell we have joined it in series. How to connect it with series? You see here, first of all I will connect this wire with the positive terminal. You see, this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal, and this one is also, this is positive terminal and this is negative terminal, right? That is, positive terminal is connected with the negative terminal of the cell to connect it in series. See here, we have connected this positive terminal with the negative terminal of the cell. Now you see here, this is red in color, therefore we connect it with the positive terminal of the cell. This is black one, we will connect it with the negative terminal of another cell, right? Now see here, we have already completed our project, and now we will add a switch in between these, right? We are connecting a switch with the black wire. You see here, we are connecting a switch. This is a very simple circuit, you can make it at home also. This is one of the switch, right? And here this is a motor of nearly 24 volt. You see, this is a motor of 24 volt, and there is a propeller, yellow color, right? Now you have to attach this with here. Let us attach this motor here, and you see here how we are attaching this motor here. Now we will attach this motor here. You see here how we are attaching this one. You see here, with the help of glue gun we can attach this motor here very easily. You see here, right? With the help of this glue gun, and after that I will show you how this is working, right? These two cells are connected in series, right? And this is a very easy project for the summer project, you can do at home, right? Now you see how we are making this one. Now see how we are attaching this motor with the help of this glue. You see here, and this is a very simple circuit. We need two cell, one motor, few connecting wires, a switch and a propeller. You see here, now we will attach this motor here, and we will attach the propeller at the front of this shaft of this motor. Now we will connect this shaft here, connect this with the terminal of the motor, and you see how it is working. Here is our switch, right? Here is our switch, and you see here, this is a very simple circuit, you can make it at home, right? This for the summer project. Again, let us see what we have done. There are two cells, we have connected the cells in series connection, right? And the positive one is connected with the terminal of this cell, and the negative terminal, with the negative terminal we have connected a switch, right? After that, this wire is connected to the motor. Now if we switch on it, let us see what happens. You see here, this is a very simple circuit we have made for the summer project. See here how it is working, right? This is a very simple circuit you can work for the school project, school summer project. You see here how it is working and how the fan is running, right? You see, the fan is rotating very easily, and in this way you can make it a circuit for the summer project. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.